Yeah, son. Switch up is good. Fix up is good. And the switch up is good. You know what I'm saying? You always got to fix things up and you got to switch things up. You know what I'm saying? Stop getting used to doing it the same way every time. You know what I mean? Because you get a little comfortable. And that's not the name of the game, is to be comfortable, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I always told you, I'm not a fanboy of Akai. Let's go. Yo, I told you, man, we're going to get it rocking one way or the other. Let's see what we do with this Serato Studio. Now, I was subscribed to Serato Studio, but I don't think I am anymore because it says unlock features. But I go in here and I see everything's still loading up. So I don't know if I'm subscribed or not. I might need one of those unsubscribing apps on my phone or something, man. But anyway, let's check this out, man. I need my headphones on. Now, what I did was I took the hi-hat, right? And I'm taking it and I put it on these keys like W and E, right? So it give it a little different little vibe, you know what I mean? A little swing, a little something there. There we go. Let's double that up. All right, then we got about what? 3 bars, 4 bars, I don't know. All right, now yeah, we got 4 bars now. All right, so now, we're gonna leave that. We're gonna make a copy of this scene, and this is where the fun part comes in. We're gonna hit this add sample button. This vibe, man. Don't worry about if you can see it all. Don't worry about none of that. I'm gonna pick out any sample I got laying around. All right, let's see what we got.
et vous remplissons, et vous mérite attention, et vous mérite attention, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation. La situation, et vous 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 la situation. Et vous la situation, 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 et vous pliez cet hymen insensé, pliez cet hymen insensé, pliez cet hymen insensé, c'est présent, mais pliez cet hymen insensé, auparavant, pliez cet hymen insensé.
Yeah.
Et vous la situation, et vous la situation, pliez cet hymen insensé, la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, cet hymen la situation, cet hymen la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, cet hymen la situation, cet hymen la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, cet hymen la situation, et vous 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 la situation mérite situation mérite quelques situation mérite situation mérite quelques situation mérite situation mérite et vous la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, et vous la situation, et vous pillez cet hymen insensé, pillez cet hymen insensé. Pillez cet hymen insensé.
Go.
Et vous la situ. Et vous la situ. Et vous la situ. Et vous la situ. Situation mérite. Situation mérite. Situation